What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I look crazy per usual. I mean, it's pretty normal that when y'all come to my channel that I'm gonna be looking a hot mess. I'm definitely not no beauty guru because I always look a mess. Every blue moon, I get it together, whatever, But anyway, so today, as you read already, I'm going to be doing my wash day routine, but I'm also going to be switching it up because I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment because my hair so desperately needs it. Look how dirty my hair is. I am embarrassed to even show y'all. My hair is looking really busted and it needs some moisture. So I'm going to be doing my normal wash day routine, which is with my head and shoulders, because I got an itchy scalp. So I'm going to be doing this, washing it with this twice, and then going in maybe once or twice with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I'm just trying to use this all the way to the end. I'm not going to be using this anymore once it's done. I'll definitely be making a video on new products that I'm looking into. I had bought this. I had bought it, so I'm just gonna use it. I know. But it's leave-in conditioner. This is the first time I'm actually gonna be using conditioner on my hair. Just gonna put it on there and rinse it right back out. But I actually started really hearing bad things about this company and that it's actually not black owned like I thought. So yeah. But I spent my money on it, so I'm going to use it. Or, well, we'll see. Because if it doesn't do anything for my hair and my hair like starts feeling dry or something, well, if my hair starts feeling like dry or something, I'm not going to use it. But anywho, so I still am washing my hair with this wig cap, so I'm going to go ahead and throw it on. My hair is fully locked, so I don't need the wig cap for that reason. I just find that it's easier to manage my hair after that it's not like all tangled as much. It's still a little bit tangly, but it's not tangled, ouch, as much when I do wash it with the wig cap. It kind of pretty much keeps everything in its place. And then I'm going to be doing my hot oil treatment. I already had this oil, so I'm going to just go ahead and use it up. But it's castor, grapeseed, argan, coconut, and olive. It's by African Pride, which is also not black owned. But I'm going to be using these oils for my hot oil treatment. And then I'm going to be using a self-warming cap and my bonnet to keep it nice and warm up in there. And then I'm going to let it sit for 15 minutes. But let me go ahead and wash my hair, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I do. All right, y'all, so I left that treatment in for like 25 minutes, and I rinsed a little, like I rinsed a little bit of it out, but I kept some of it in, you know, because I mean, we're trying to moisturize the hair. But you guys, my hair already feels and looks so much better. Like, oh my gosh. So I had mentioned that I was going to try to make it to 1 year with no retwist. My 1 year is in August. It is June right now. I'm not going to make it. So my husband will be retwisting my hair tonight. I desperately need it. I mean, yeah, I've been working out and stuff, and it's just been getting worse and worse. So what I'm actually about to do is detangle my hair. I'm about to detangle my hair, and to make it easier for him. He would much rather me detangle it than him to try to do it. But oh my gosh, guys, look at my hair. It's so moisturized. Ooh, it feels so good. It smells so good. That oil mixture smells so delightful. But yeah, as you can see, my hair definitely has grown since I last retwisted it, which was in February. So we got some length going on here. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's definitely gotten longer, and it's still really strong. We're gonna try to keep it that way. Look at my color of my actual natural color of my hair is like a sandy brown color. So that's how I always know when I need a wash, because my hair does not, it don't be this color, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna retwist it tonight. Wish us luck. It's kind of late, but like I said, I'm gonna detangle it. I'm gonna section off in 4 parts and detangle it for him. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely, if you have not did the hot oil treatment on your locks, you need to do it to bring that moisture back in, because it smells so nice. It looks so nice. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so definitely give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.